Hello, friends! Today we're learning numbers. Look at this. See these tiny black dots? Let's connect them all to get the right shape using clay. Look, we're already halfway through. Well done! It looks like a tall tree or a candle. Then we fill in the inner space with pink foam clay. It is just like coloring. First, we draw a straight line up. Keep your line nice and tall. Then, we'll add a short tail on the left top side, like this. This is the number 1. Here is a unicorn with one horn. Friends, we've done so well that we've got a new shape. Let's draw an outline first, connecting these dots. This number has a more wiggly shape. It reminds me of a swan. It also looks like a little snake that curves and then stretches like so. Now, let's start coloring. Do you like green? We draw a straight line at the bottom. Then, find the left end of the line. It's where your left hand is. From the left end, draw a slanted line up. See? It's curving to the right side. Here we go! Lastly, we'll add a slight curve to the left. The shape is completed. This is the number 2. We have 2 green toys here. Our next shape is wavy too. Just look at this. If you tilt your head, it looks like 2 smiles. One sits on top of the other. It may also look like 2 round hills, or a figure with a big round belly. And what do you see here? Let's start coloring it with blue. First, we do a bottom curve, like a belly pointing to the right. Then, we fill another round belly with our foam clay right on the top. Hey, we're doing great, friends! You know, it looks a bit like a pretzel. Ah, I wish to take a bite. This is the number 3. We have 2, 3 blue toys. Here is the next number. It consists of straight lines, no curves this time. It looks like a chair with legs or like a kite with a tail. What else does it remind you of? We'll color it yellow. Start with a straight line, then add a line across its middle. Finally, we deal with this line. You see? By the way, do you prefer drawing straight or wavy lines? I like both. We're almost done, friends. Let's fill in the gaps carefully. This is the number 4. It's time to count. We have 2, 3, 4 yellow toys. The next number has it all from both worlds. Straight and curvy lines all together. This straight line at the top reminds me of a hat. Can you see that? I think we've already seen this shape below, right? Yeah, it looks just like a big round belly. Let's finish the outline and go to the coloring. We use purple foam clay this time. Starting with the belly first, we're moving up to the top. Oh, I've got another idea. It also looks like a hook, see? It's connected to the top with a straight line like this. This is the number 5. Let's count the toys again. Wow! This time we got vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent! The next number has all curvy and round shapes. It looks like a curled rope or a snake. Can you see that? It makes a big circle, and the end is tucked inside gently, like this. Now, Let's fill it in with the orange foam clay. Start at the top right and make a downward curve. Then keep turning to make a circle. And close the circle at the bottom. Come on, we're almost there. All done. This is the number 6, and we'll be counting animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. The next number looks like a roof connected to the wall. It also reminds me of a lightning flash or a boomerang. What about you? All right, let's use the blue color and fill it in. We start with a top line. Hey, we're getting better and better at this. Let's work up the shape a bit. That's more like it. This is the number 7. How many Arctic animals are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next number is made of 2 round shapes. It reminds me of 2 snowballs stacked on top of each other, or a snowman without stick arms. Easy to remember. What else has a similar shape? Glasses, for example, or donuts. Oh no, I think too much about sweets today. But who doesn't, right? And just like that, the outline is done. Let's color our number red this time. It's one of my favorite colors. We'll start at the top middle and draw a small circle. No need to rush. Then, we'll draw a bigger circle below. Both circles are connected in the middle, like this. We're already halfway through. Go on, friends. The key is to enjoy the process and have fun. This is how you learn new things better. Look, we've made it. This is the number 8. What are we counting this time? Animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very well. The next number has a round shape with a curling tail at the bottom. What does it look like? To me, it reminds me of a balloon with a string, or a cherry with a stem. To color it, we use the gray foam clay. We start at the top right and make a small round circle. Now, we draw a straight line down and end it with a curve. Easy peasy. This is the number 9. Now, let's start counting. Dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, the last number is left for today. It consists of 2 shapes. You already know the first one, just look closely. It's the number 1. Here is a new shape. It looks like a donut. Together, they look like a tree and a sun, or a stick and a ball. Which idea do you like the most? And finally, the outline is done. Now, we take the purple foam clay and fill it all in. First, we're coloring the number 1. It's like a tall stick. Keep the line smooth and straight, friends. Now, we can start coloring this circle. It should be as tall as the number 1. Even if it comes out a bit messy, that's totally fine. You can fix it or start again. It's part of the fun after all. This is number 10. Let's count again. Insects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Look, we've learned all 10 numbers. Great. See you in the next video.